Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to reset OneDrive to fix OneDrive problems on your Windows PC. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, navigate to your Windows desktop and locate the Start menu at the bottom left corner of your screen within your taskbar. Go ahead and click on it to open the Start menu. This is your main hub for accessing all applications and settings on your Windows computer. Once the Start menu opens up, you'll need to launch the Run app. In the search bar, type in Run and press Enter on your keyboard. This will bring up the Run dialog box, which is a powerful tool that allows you to execute commands directly on your Windows system. The Run dialog box is particularly useful for accessing system features and executing commands quickly without navigating through multiple menus. Now, here's where the fix happens. You'll need to enter a specific command into the Run dialog box to reset OneDrive. This command will reset OneDrive's current configuration and resolve most common issues you might be experiencing, such as sync problems, login errors, or files not updating properly. I'll be displaying the exact command on screen that you need to type. Feel free to pause the video here to copy the command and file directory accurately, as precision is important for this step to work correctly. Once you've carefully entered the command into the Run dialog box, press Enter on your keyboard to execute it. The command will run automatically and begin the reset process for OneDrive. This process essentially restores OneDrive to its default settings, clearing any corrupted data or misconfigured settings that may have been causing problems. You might need to wait a moment while the command processes and OneDrive resets itself in the background. And that's it, you've successfully reset OneDrive on your Windows PC, which should resolve the issues you are experiencing. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.